The year was 2021. India, like many other nations across the globe, was dealing with the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Like many other sectors, cinema halls too were severely hit as several movies either got shelved or got postponed indefinitely. As audiences refrained from going to the cinema halls out of fear of getting infected, several theatre chains went bankrupt. And to make matters worse for theatre owners, many OTT platforms started streaming quality cinema right within the comfort of people's homes. It was amidst these trying times that the Allu Arjun starrer Pushpa The Rise was released on December 17, 2021. Made on a budget of Rs 200 to 250 crore and releasing just a month after theatres were allowed to reopen with full seating capacity, releasing the film theatrically was nothing short of a huge gamble. But much like the dialogue from the film itself, Pushpa kisi ke aage nahi jhuka. The film not only ended up grossing close to Rs 400 crore worldwide, but also became a cultural phenomenon. One of the earliest examples of a pan-India blockbuster, Pushpa The Rise not only emerged as the highest-grossing Indian film of 2021, but also ranks as one of the highest-grossing Telugu films of all time. Its songs too became chartbusters. And not just that, Allu Arjun also became the first Telugu actor in 69 years to win a Best Actor National Film Award. Now, 3 years later, इसका sequel release के लिए तैयार है. एक बार फिर पुष्पा राज दुनिया को झुकाने के लिए आ रहा है. Rashmika Mandanna and Fahad Fasil too are returning as Srivalli and Bhanwar Singh Shekhawat. साथ ही प्रकाश राज too has joined the star cast this time. And if you need any proof regarding the hype this film is garnering prior to its December 5 release, just take a look at the fan frenzy it created in Patna on November 17 at its trailer launch event. This fan frenzy also seems to be translating into box office collection as well, since many trade pundits have already declared Pushpa 2 The Rule a blockbuster. There are reports of tickets for the film being sold for as high as Rs 1800 in Delhi. Not just that, the Andhra Pradesh government has also approved a hike in ticket prices for the film. With an average ticket price crossing Rs 400 in many states, its collection will automatically see a boost. Advance ticket sales की अगर बात करें तो according to a report by Sacknilk, Pushpa 2 The Rule has already earned Rs 40 crore domestically after selling close to 14 lakh tickets across 23,000 shows. हैरानी की बात तो ये है that out of Rs 40 crore, the Telugu version contributed to Rs 19.45 crore, while the Hindi version grossed Rs 13.44 crore, thus once again confirming its popularity in the Hindi-speaking belt. What's more, the film is also projected to become the first Indian film ever to earn Rs 300 crore globally on its opening day itself. And with the way things are going, we won't be surprised if that actually turns out to be true. Are you excited to watch Allu Arjun and Rashmika Mandanna's chemistry on the big screen once again? Let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for your daily dose of entertainment.